you guys want to learn about some basic stage presentation and microphone technique? Yes. How long is this lead? I'm going to make this real quick because I'm running out of time. Hello. This is a directional mic. So what goes into it is going to get picked up. They use directional mics live up on stage. When I do this, it doesn't work. When I do this, it doesn't work. Tip, hold it horizontal, eat the mic, okay? That's a tip. That's all it really is. Unidirectional mics are used in a recording studio, and if you do this, am I on? If you do this in the recording studio, it'll come out. They're used sometimes on these talent quests if there's no fallback or no band, because they do sound better, but they're very, very rare. If you're going to be singing up on stage, it's generally a directional microphone. Hold it straight. That's all I can basically say. That is microphone technique 101. There's nothing else to it. Recording studio's a little bit different. You'll have a spit catcher at the front. You can't go too far. There are some people with really strong voices. Jimmy Barnes doesn't sing into a directional mic because he blows them up. A lot of people don't use them. I know Bono. I'm going to see Bono. Who's going to see Bono next Friday? Not many. Fantastic. Yes. He uses a shitty Beta58A in the studio. He just sings into just a normal microphone. That's what he does. Okay, so that's microphone technique. Okay. Yep.
So the microphone technique, that's if you're holding it. If it's on a stand and you're singing into the stand, it tends to be, on an angle.
No, so, put it straight.
Right. So that's what you have to do, don't
you? Yes. Put it straight. And if you're walking and you're going to walk into the mic, that's as high as it should be. Relaxed. Should be relaxed. Don't be like this. Just nice and relaxed. Yeah. It's really good actually. Sing to a mic's great because if you're reaching for high notes like this young gentleman here, he might go over the top of the mic and won't be heard. So it is good practice. Yep. Up straight, just into a mic like this. If that makes sense. Cool. Any other questions? Hi, Mum.
The microphone I've used it a few back. Sort of turned out also. I used to do back and too much bad voice in the mic.
Yep.
Is that okay? Or because Donald's got that here, that still be right?
Okay. So good question. Okay. So when you're in rehearsals and you're rehearsing, if you're doing something that's really loud, oh Jesus, that was too loud. Go, yeah! Pull it back a little bit. You see Johnny Farnham do this all the time because he's got a super powerful voice. But yeah, a little bit of a microphone. But really, once this happens here, it's done. Because that line there, guys, is telling you where the cone is. That's how far away you are from the cone inside already. So, and horizontal, but yeah, a little bit of microphone technique. With a lot of PAs these days as well too, the lovely gentleman doing the sound over there will tell you this as well too, they sometimes run compression. So if you're too loud, it will compress it so they don't blow the speakers up. So you can generally just got to eat it the whole time. Or if it's too quiet, it will also bring it up as well too. But yeah, a little bit of microphone technique. Yep. Yeah. Simple. It's with S, with air. So just try not to push any air through on those there. That's all the basically is. So yeah, and get through that quick. Don't hang on it. Like C, P, don't hang on it. And don't get your lips going, pa. Don't do this. Gently with the lips. P, C. So gentle, don't push air through on those there. Yeah, a lot of people pop on mics. But yeah, does that answer that question? Fantastic.